What's up guys, it's me, Chris Urchin, and I'm here in Krabi, Thailand. Check it out. Pretty crazy. But yeah, if you can't tell, I'm just here in my hostel bunk here in Krabi, Thailand. Just trying to edit. I've been like moving all over the place still, so I'm about to finish up Thailand here in the next week. Heading to Koh Lipe tomorrow. So they said it's the Maldives of the Philippines, of Thailand, and so we'll see how good it is down there. Here we're gonna just pick up right where I left off. I have another segment here in Siargao, so let's go. So one of the other hostels here on the island had a island tour, had like an island hopping thing, and we got to go to 3 different islands, all with a really cool crew of people. I thought this would be a good chance to check out the islands surrounding Siargao. It was just an amazing day of island hopping and seeing different beaches and just checking out, different places near the island. The second island we got to was called Naked Island, and this was just straight up the tiniest little sandbar island. It's just right in the middle of nowhere, and everyone just brings the boats in to stop over at this little island and take pictures. And then the last island they took us to was called Dokku Island, which had some of the locals living on there. And the boatmen were kind enough to invite us to a little karaoke session at their house, and it was super cool. They had everyone just come in and sit around a karaoke machine, and people are just singing songs and drinking beers.
Get it on, this is right, this is right. We're two all together now, okay? I need someone like I never needed love before. Wanna make no material,
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna be stoked.
Oh my gosh! Do you see this?
What you want from me? That's too much.
And by the end of the day, I saw one of the most epic sunsets I've ever seen in my life. The colors were just so vibrant, so unreal. Oh my god. There we go. So the next day, one of the guys from the hostel got a crew together of like 20 people to motorbike all the way to Sugba Lagoon, which was a 45-minute bike ride outside of the main city to another part of the island in Siargao.
Alex told me it's the most expensive island in Palawan.
So we basically hired two boats, and they take you to this lagoon, and over there they have like diving boards and places where you can swim and kayak, and you know, it was a good time to check it out.
Check this out.
On the other side of the lagoon, we heard that there was a cliff jump that was like 15 meters high. So we got a group together, whoever wanted to do the jump, and kayaked all the way to the other side. The minute that we rolled into the lagoon, there was no people, and we see this diving board on a tree that was just so freaking high in the air. That is high. It's so high and sketchy, and there's nobody here. But yeah, that tree jump is the sketchiest tree jump ever. So just the walk up it, there's like some planks of wood and a little bit of railing to hang on to as you're going up. And what makes this even more sketchy is that, you know, we're not even sure if we're allowed. Like, there's no supervision or anything, or no locals or anything telling us that it's fine to jump in there. We just found it and there's just nobody around. But yeah, we were all scared, like, jumping off this thing. But one of the guys, Alex, did it first, and saw that it was totally fine. So right after, we all just started jumping and just screaming. All right. When you look down, your stomach just goes all the way up to your throat.
Jerry!
You did it!
So crazy! Oh! Yeah, we get that water out.
We got the boat backwards.
Look how close the water is. So close.
Partly in the water.
So close.
So on the way back, you know, we took a kayak made for 3 people and had 5 people in there. So water was like rushing in on the way back.
There's water coming in. We gotta scoot up. Scoot up. Oh shit.
It's like the weight distribution was all messed up, and you know, the water was pouring in, so eventually our kayak just sank and we were just dying.
Oh
It's going down.
Oh it's sinking.
I believe that our kayak just flipped over. But a super funny experience.
One, two, three.
Yeah, on the ride back to the mainland, you know, we're all leaving with really good experiences and memories. You know, we were just on this tiny island, you know, in the middle of a lagoon, seeing the sunset on the way back was, you know, a feeling that is priceless. At the end of the Siargao trip, I was left with so much more memories and more experiences than I did the first time. It's always a different experience coming back. So each time I visit, it's just completely different. I can't wait to go back again. It was definitely one for the books. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one as we go to El Nido in Palawan. And that was just a whole nother adventure on its own right there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Alright, peace.